Rear camera not working on your Hyundai Santa Fe? Let's get it fixed today. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your car is in park with the engine off. Now find the camera lens at the back, usually just above the license plate. Is it dirty? Sometimes all it needs is a quick wipe with a soft cloth. Dirt or water spots can block the view completely. Next, turn your car on and shift into reverse. Still no image? Check your dashboard display settings. Sometimes the camera feed gets turned off by mistake. If you see a blue or black screen, it could be a loose wire. Open your trunk and look for any loose or disconnected wires near the camera. If you spot one, gently reconnect it. Still not working? Try resetting your car's infotainment system. This can clear up minor software bugs. You'll find reset instructions in your owner's manual. If you've tried everything and the camera still isn't working, it might be time to visit a professional, but in many cases, a simple cleaning or reset does the trick. Remember, a working rear-view camera isn't just convenient, it also keeps you safe. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your Hyundai Santa Fe back on the road.